Well, as promised, I managed to recap all the TeraDrive hard drives, getting rid of the radial capacitors I installed in there 3 years ago, which was a bit of a disaster. So I thought I'd just do a quick comparison video on the 3 hard drives that we do have for the TeraDrive. So, what have we got? Alright, well the very first one is an IBM. The very next one is also an IBM. The third one, guess what? It's an IBM. Not terribly exciting, but that's what they are. They're hard drives, not kittens. So there's the good old some sort of serial number. So overall, they're not bad hard drives. These two on the ends, I believe, have PS2 mounts in them, on them. And what they do is, well, what do they do? Here's the TeraDrive one in the middle. So slightly different, but more of the same, really. PS2s loved using this weird plastic. Weird plastic. TeraDrive used a nice black, sleek plastic. There's the circuit boards, the edge connector, which is similar to, well, the PS2s. IBM's PS2s often had edge connectors, whether they were this many pins. I think, oh, can't remember how many these are. I guess I can have a look at the board, can't I? 22 on each side, so 44 pin. Must be 44 pin. There were 50 pin or 60 pin, so many pins it would go pretty much from the right at the edge to the other edge. I think they were used in the 50, 60, 70, something like that. PS2, 60, 70, 50, I don't know, 75, 90. There were so many models. But, interestingly, the power is split off on these 2 end ones here, or 4 end ones. So that's kind of exciting. You can probably not see it because my camera refuses to focus. Oh, there you go. You can sort of see through that. And that's how it works. And that's what they are. So, the TeraDrive's also compatible with the, well, the ones that Sega seem to ship with them, or IBM, Sega, take your pick, were the WDL-330P. Now these don't have the S, but they work just as well. And they're 30 megabytes. I mean, what more do you want, really? But if you do come across any of these, make sure you replace the capacitors. The values are 47 UF, 100 UF. The 100 UF's 10 volt. The 47 UF's a 16 volt. So I've gone ahead and put 35 volts on, and my 10 UFs are also 10 UF, 100, I don't know what the hundreds are. Might be 16 if I'm lucky, maybe they're just 10. Anyway, that's it from me. TeraDrive hard drive's done. Stay tuned for an upcoming video on floppy drive capacitor replacement, which I guarantee you will just be a barrel of monkeys. Thanks for watching. McRetro, out.